Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to link a button on WordPress blocksy to a page. Okay, so we have a starter site over here, and we have our main banner here, and we have a button here, and if we click it, it just takes us to the home page. So let's go ahead and click on Edit Page, and let's link up one of our pages, let's say About Us, to this button over here. So let's go to About. Let's put that on the side. Let's scroll down here and just click on the button in the block editor. And on the link here, make sure you have your right sidebar open. And we can just copy this and paste it and hit enter. And it's now linked to our About Us page. Now we can also customize this different ways, but let's go ahead and put this to learn about us, right? And we can save that, and it's probably much nicer that we changed to that, all right? And we saved our changes, and let's just refresh our page here, and let's click on this. And now it takes us to our About Us page. So there's how you link a button to a page in WordPress blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.